Ma'am is here. Ma'am is here.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Whose class was going on?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, whose class was? I came and like meeting was going on. So somebody's class was going on. Shazia's ma'am class was going on.
No, Alfia ma'am's
No,
class.
ma'am. Alfia ma'am's class.
Ma'am, Alfia ma'am. Alfia ma'am.
You had an exam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I got it. I understood. So, okay. Today, you don't have maths exam. Relaxed, right?
Ma'am, I'm happy to have exam. We have exam on Friday, or else it would be 3 exams. It would be
Exactly. True,
sleepy and difficult.
I
Ma'am,
do
our
understand.
maths exam is on Friday.
Yes, today you don't have maths exam. Okay, I already made your paper. So, have you gone through the worksheet? Umaima, Yusuf, you wanted worksheet for revision practice. Have you done it? Yeah, Umaima?
Ma'am, I need worksheet.
yet.
I did
Ma'am,
one
I
worksheet finished.
Oh,
I need
Umaira and
second
Yusuf like,
worksheet.
ma'am, please
didn't
pass
do
the
it.
worksheet for practice. I'm like, okay, they are very excited. Let me give them. I've been late because I was not there in the city in the weekend.
Ma'am,
That's
you
why I
know
got
it.
late.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
tomorrow I studied about maths. I think maths exam is there. I studied prepared full for maths
Very nice.
in
Listen,
timetable.
listen, kids, I'm explaining you the paper pattern. I will not put in the Google Classroom. Okay, I'll explain you over here only. Everybody has joined. Everybody has joined. We'll wait for Manha. Manha and Yusuf is there. Sidra is also there. Umar is also there. Muhammad Ali is not there. They were there in the previous session, previous class. They were there.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, they were.
They were. Okay. Good morning, Umar. How are you?
Good afternoon. Good
You
afternoon.
must, yeah, good afternoon. You must be under pressure. So many exams are going on. Is it like that? Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Because I've seen in your public speaking test, you kids were enjoying a lot. You were in different
Yeah, ma'am, because
characters.
that was public
Someone was-
speaking. We just had to like dress up and
I really liked Umaima's this thing. The get up. Umaima, what was it? Can you just explain? I didn't get time on to comment in the group. Umaima, what were you like? What were you that day?
Scarlet Witch.
You became a witch.
No, she's she's in the Avengers.
Yeah. Okay.
the strongest avenger.
Yeah.
The characters from the Avengers you have taken. Like that.
No, not me.
Why, Umar?
Not me.
Not all the tips. I also
Not
didn't
all
take
they took
from the
the-
Avengers.
Okay.
Yusuf, me, and Sidra.
Okay. But Yusuf was Spider-Man, right? Superman.
Yes,
Yeah,
he is
Yusuf
also.
was Spider-Man.
Yeah. You got that dress from the shop? Yeah, Yusuf?
Shabana
Yes, ma'am.
It is
Very
like
nice,
a
huh?
fire
I really
costume.
liked it. Very nice. You kids are, what should I say? No words to express. Okay, now in maths, so we cannot do any activity. I have already made the paper. You have to write it. That's it. Okay. Okay.
Let me tell-
Visibility. Humaira, please turn on your camera, na Humaira. Why do you keep it off? Such a lovely face, and you want to hide it. Yeah. Somebody said, ma'am. Yeah, Sidra. Sidra, okay, go on from when she has raised her hand. Hello, Manha. You are always late, huh, Manha? What's the problem? Yeah, Manha. And where is Muhammad Ali? Where did he go? He was there in the last class.
Yeah, he did.
How could you miss today's maths class when you have exam on Friday? Okay, chalo. Yeah, Sidra, go on.
And this is Yusuf. I didn't understand the number line division.
Okay.
Little bit, me also little bit.
Okay. Sidra, your question?
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am,
please
today
practice
no
the
exam, right?
multiplication grip? What is it called? Grip method.
Grid.
Great.
Grid. G-R-I-D. Okay. What about others?
Division number 9.
Okay. And what about others? Okay. I'll do that revision. Let me first again give you a clear idea what will be your paper of. Okay, I have set easy paper only, but it's lengthy. Lengthy in the sense you have to write. It's not difficult. You have to think and you have to write. It's a maths paper. So similarly, MCQs I have given for 5 marks. MCQs only for 5 marks. Remaining 20 marks. For 20 marks, I have given 10 questions. Look, I'll explain you the paper pattern. Wait, let me first share the whiteboard. Look, 25 marks paper. 25 marks paper. 5 marks for MCQs. Do you understand what is MCQs?
Multiple
Choice question means one question. First listen, na beta. When you listen, you'll understand. Multiple choice question means one question will be given to you and 4 options will be given to you. And you have to select one option. Is it fine?
Yes, yes.
Like I'm not taking a maths example. Let me give you English. Like the color of apple. The color of apple is what? I'll give you 4. The color of apple is first
Yellow,
option.
red,
Green.
blue, pink.
Then yeah, blue. Then red. Red. Okay. Then will come what? Sorry for that. Yellow. Then wait. So you have to select one. You have to select what? You have to select one option. Is that clear? Like red. Yes. You have to mark on. You'll get a circle over here. You need to click on this in the Google form. Is it clear? This is called MCQs. Okay. But this I took for English. I gave you an example for a normal sentence. The question would be of maths. It won't be of English. It won't be this question. So I just gave you an example. What would be like MCQ would look like. Okay. Now, have you understood what is MCQs?
Done it in previous class now.
Okay, great. Now, how many marks are remaining? Tell me. How many marks are remaining? 20. How? 5 marks is gone for MCQ. How 25 is remaining?
20?
Yes, 20 marks. So for 20 marks, I'll ask you 10 questions. And each questions will have how many marks? 2 marks. 2 marks. Right? How many? 100
marks.
Yeah, 10.
Actually, ma'am.
10 questions. Wait, let me complete. Because on Friday, I'm not going to help you in anything. Huh? That is the reason I'm telling you, listen first. 10 into 2 is how much? 10 into 2, look, multiplication.
10 into 2,
20. And remaining 5. Yeah, remaining 5 for MCQ. Understood?
MCQs.
Everyone understood?
Yes.
Everyone, Umaima, be blank.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Like if there are 10 questions and like example, like I have done a wrong answer from 10 questions.
But I'll give you marks for your steps. If your final answer is also wrong, I'll give you marks for your test steps. 2 marks. When we mean 2 marks, it doesn't mean like if your final answer is wrong, you'll get 0. The marks is given for your steps also. Okay. Okay. Understood, Sidra?
Doubling and
Yeah.
doubling and halving.
Yes. Coming. Umaima, have you understood? The paper pattern is clear to everyone. Yusuf, Mustafa, is it clear?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Yes,
ma'am.
First MCQs.
Ma'am, one time share the screen.
Wait, let me excuse. Wait, let me tell you. MCQs are not given first. MCQs would be at last. First, I have given you 2 marks question so that you solve it. It will take time now, so you take time in that. Then MCQs fatapat ho jayega at last. Is it clear?
Okay.
Is it clear to everyone?
Okay.
Umar, turn on your camera.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's on.
yeah, Sidra.
It's on, ma'am.
Ma'am, share the screen.
What screen?
Ma'am, the whiteboard which you written.
Okay.
I want to note down.
Take a screenshot, beta. Take a screenshot. We don't have that much of time. We have to do revision also.
Ma'am, I don't know how to take a
Wait.
screenshot. That's why
Okay,
I'm
okay.
taking a picture.
Okay, take a picture. Will do. Take a picture.
Ma'am, may I see now?
ICT class, you asked ma'am how to take screenshot. Now we people, even I'm an ICT teacher and I have to teach students how to take screenshot. And how to
No, ma'am. My
I know how
laptop
to take.
changed. That's why some keyboard are
Okay.
changed.
It's very
So
easy.
that's
Mera,
why
you have to go for the Windows button. A window, four
Yes.
square button would be there. At
Yes, window, I know.
below, yeah, just at the last of your keyboard, the last row of
Yes,
the
I
keyboard.
got window.
Just adjacent, yeah. And then go to print screen, PRTSCR. It would be
Yes.
above, on the top of your keyboard, the first line. The first
Yes, ma'am. I got
Yes,
it.
you have to press both together. When you press both together, the screenshot will be captured.
Where, ma'am?
Do that.
What did you say?
Yes,
How to-
captured, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Now where you will see, go to pictures folder and in screenshots. Pictures folder in your My Computer. Okay, I'm not taking a ICT class. Okay, I'm taking a maths class. Fine. You can, we will do that afterwards. Yeah. I'm not taking a ICT class. Yeah. Yeah, Sidra, what is it?
Ma'am, like if I did one answer wrong, so my two marks will cut, or only 1 mark.
Look, for a 2-mark question, you're writing an answer. I'll see your steps. If your final answer is wrong, I'll see your steps. I'll give you marks for your steps. Have you understood? If your final answer is right, so you'll get full marks only, na, Sidra? Am I right? You'll get full marks
Yes,
only,
ma'am.
na? Right. And only if your final, yeah, if your steps are wrong, you have made some grammatical mistakes, that I won't consider. Okay? I'm pure into maths. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Everyone? Yeah. Now, first let me give you a brief revision of what all is going to come in maths. Don't tell me on that day, ma'am, I have not done this and I have not done that. Okay. From division chapter, what will come? From division, Yusuf, you listen.
Divisibility rules.
Divisibility rule.
Divisibility rule.
Number line method.
Number line.
Division, further division by number line method. And one more thing we have done. Wait.
Grid method and recombining
That is the
method.
multiplication chapter. That is
Word
the division chapter.
problems.
You can tell me we have done one table and we did that for 3-4 sessions, 3-4 class. We did it repeatedly.
Partition method.
Column method is there, but there is one more thing. Let me. Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Who has a sharp memory? Let me see.
Combining method.
No, I'm talking about Manha. I'm talking about the multiplication and division. From division chapter. I'm not talking about multiplication chapter.
Long chunking method.
What was that?
Chunking method.
Chunking method, we haven't done it. Who's saying that? We have not done chunking method yet. I just told you this term, but I haven't explained you. So don't worry, this is not going to come. I will never give you those stuffs which I have never taught you. Need not worry. After your exam.
Fraction will not come now.
Wednesday. Look, this part. How could you forget about the investigating remainders?
Telling you this only. I was telling you this only.
Yeah,
but
Umayma, this is your favorite part now. How could you forget this? Like, I'll ask you, like the question would be, look, I'm giving you an example. Question would be, what would be the largest remainder you can have when a number is divided by 3? Okay. Right. What could be the largest remainder you can have when a number is divided by 4?
4.
How 4? I told you, just subtract 1 from that number.
It will be 4.
No, for 3 it would be what? Yeah, Mustafa. For 3 it would be what?
3.
For 3 it would be what? For 3 it would be what?
2. Quotient.
Yes. And for 4 it would be what? For 4 it would be?
3.
Yes, you just have to subtract -1 from the given number. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, in the whiteboard, you can make the list which
There are many things, but I'm telling you over here. I have already in Google Classroom also.
you also uploaded in Google Classroom.
Yes.
I
Check it. But I'm telling you in
Okay.
division part, this will, like I can ask you 33 divided by 5. How will you do this? How will you do this? Tell
33
me.
divided by 5.
Yeah, how will you do this? We don't want answer in point. We don't want answer in point. There will be, tell me, what is a number less than 33 which comes in 5's table? Anyone?
30.
Number less than
30.
Yes.
30, 30.
What is the
30.
when does it comes? When does it comes? What is
30.
the quotient?
Ma'am,
6.
6 are 30. 5
Yes, 5
6
is
are
the 30.
30.
What is the remainder? What is the remainder?
6.
3.
3.
Ma'am, 3, 3, 3.
3.
So this way you have to just write the answer. That's it. I made it so simple for you. Now let me take
Okay.
one more example. 38. 38
Ma'am, I
divided
want to
by 4.
answer.
Wait. Umayma will answer. Umayma and Yusuf. 38 divided by 4. So it is very true that 38 doesn't come in 4's table. So which is a number which is less than 38 and divisible by 4? You need to think that and by what za that number is coming. Okay, tell me.
Wait.
Yeah, Yusuf. It's very easy.
24.
No, there is a number which is much bigger than 24.
36.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Umayma?
36.
36 comes where? 4 into what is 36? Tell me. Fast. Yes.
36.
9s are.
36.
Who said 3? 4 9s is 36.
4 9
No?
4
Yes. And what will be the remainder? Chalo, tell me. What will be the remainder?
No.
Only Mustafa is able to answer. 2. 2. And it's done then. Okay. Is that clear? Okay. Now, this part remember. Now come to number line method.
What is this? What is this method?
No, this is not method, beta. It is like you look, Manha, I'll just ask you the question like the question would be, where is it? 33. So 34 divided by 34. I'll ask you 34 divided by 4. So you have to write it in this way. Okay? Understood? You have to write the quotient and remainder. Is that clear, Umayma? Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Doubling and halving.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, but you only said that only multiplication will come, not the divisibility rule.
Sorry.
Ma'am, but you told that only multiplication will come, no divisibility rule.
I have mentioned in the Google Classroom, Sidra, division, you have a number line method, you have a divisibility rule. Multiplication was already there in your first test. How can I alone give you that in your exam? Multiplication was, I'm doing it from long back. I have to include division, na? You have to study, Sidra. Okay? I have told this clearly to you. Divisibility rule is there and number line method, division is there. A division through number line method. I told you this long back. And this remainder concept, that's it. Chunking is not there. Fractions are not there. I have not taken that. Okay. Now, let's take this. Everyone is having problem is this.
Which one? Yes.
Let's take, yeah, who all is having problem? Manha, Sidra and Yusuf is having problem in this number line method. Please pay attention because I have to do other things also. So I'm doing one question with you. 67.
Can you show me also, ma'am?
I'm doing division by number line method. And I'm going to ask you this in exam. This is 100% sure. I am going to ask you. I told you clearly. Okay? 67 divided by, let's take what? I'm 6, for example. Tell me. This is my, oh my God, this is a wrong. Wait. You'll make a line like this. Now, next.
Ma'am, I know.
Okay. Tell me, what is the divisor over here? What is the divisor over here? 6. What is the dividend? What is the dividend?
67.
67. Okay. So, till what I told you, you have to go till where? You have to go till where? 60. 6 is given now. Get that multiple of, yeah, just multiply the number by 10 and get that multiple till 60. So, in one jump, 60. Yeah, 60. And this is what till 10. Now, just keep adding 6 for other multiples of 6. 66. 10. Then what will come? 70.
71.
How 71? How 71? 72. Okay. Now, if I see closely, which number is less than 67? Is it 66 or 72? Tell me. 66.
66.
Right. So 10 plus 1. This I took in 10 jumps and this is one jump. Anyway, 6 into 11 is what? Tell me. 6 into 11 is what?
22.
11 is 66.
Exactly. So 11 is the quotient. 11 is what? The quotient. And here also you can add it 1. 10 plus 1 is how much? Because after this, you just make one step. You just jumped 1. 11. And what is the remainder? What is the remainder? 1. Very good. So easy. Done. What is so difficult in this now? Tell me. Mustafa, Yusuf, are you understanding, Yusuf?
Then 72, then 78. Sorry, this is not division.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Division. This is multiplication.
Let me take one more example. Let me take one more example. Which one should I take? 87 and 9?
Understand.
87 and 9. Now, how it has to be done? Tell me.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm 87 is 2 lines are at 80.
Look.
Start
9.
Yeah.
in 80.
Yeah. If you take till 10.
90.
But the problem is you kids are right. But the problem is 87 is less than 90, na? Am I right?
Yes.
So I'll come in this way.
More 9.
Yes, I'll come
To
here.
11 side will be 99.
Yes, so I will not go there. I will come here now because I need a number less than 87. Chalo, tell me. This was 90. Now subtract 9. What will I get? 81.
81.
81. Now, 81 is less than 87. Do you agree? Yeah. 9 into how much is 81? 9 into how much is 81? Tell me.
9.
Yes. So what is the quotient? What is the quotient? 9. And tell me the remainder. Tell me the remainder. Remainder 91. 87 minus 81. 6. So from here you came to 81 by 9 steps. So this will be a question. Okay. How will you write it? Your writing method I'll show you now. How will you represent?
सबसे पहले टेंस करना.
Yes. This is a small number, na? Otherwise, I would have taken a number after 90 only. So directly write. You don't have to do anything. Just write 81. Here write 9 nines are. That's it. This is your sum. How difficult it was? Tell me. Wait, I'll just erase this. Wait, I'll erase the things which I don't need it. And this is my question. For example, I have given you the question here. The 87 divided by 9. So what you'll write? What would be my answer? You'll draw this. You'll draw this. And what you'll write down? What you'll write down? Tell me. What you'll write down?
81.
No. What you'll write down? 9. 9 remainder.
90.
Remainder how much? Remainder 6. That's it. Your answer should be of this much. That's it. So easy. Tell me how difficult it was. This would be question only, na? This would be question only, and this would be your answer. Now tell me what you...
confused.
No, Beta, it's not confusing. What is so confusing? You tell me.
I was.
Okay.
I was little bit confused.
Okay. Now is it clear?
Now
Is it clear to everyone? Please
Yes,
at least
yes.
say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, should I go to other part? So this was about again. I am repeating. Again, I am repeating. In division, the divisibility rules, number line method of division, remainder theory. Bus, that's it. By remainder theory, what do I mean? What do I mean by remainder theory? I mean this part. That's it. This table. So don't confuse yourself and don't struggle much. What is remainder theory? Is it clear? So division part is done. Division part is done. Now come
Yes,
to
ma'am.
multiplication part. Yeah. Sidra was having doubt in grid method. I have to teach you about doubling and halving also. Please do this part properly. I'm giving this part. Enclosure. This is all multiplication. What is the cost? I'll ask you question. The cost of one pizza is like $10.
This is my favorite.
Yes,
This is
yes.
the my
Please do
favorite.
that. Huh? Then don't tell me, ma'am, I don't know. We have done this thing so many times. Okay.
This is my favorite.
Yeah. No, this part we don't need it. We don't need all this thing.
Word problem.
Can you show us again what to?
Yeah. Is this clear to everyone how to use?
Yes. I did the whole thing, ma'am. By my
Okay. Anybody having problem in partitioning and recombining method of
No,
multiplication?
it is very easy, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is easy.
What?
I can
Yeah.
do it.
Okay.
Yes.
Then
it
too,
is
I'm
very
explaining. Who? Mustafa, you have problem, Mustafa?
No, I said it is very easy.
Okay, so I should not do, instead of that, I should do doubling and halving because you have problem in that. Okay. Now let's go to. Yeah, this part is clear to you. The cost of each item is given. Each product is given. Like for example, I can ask you the lemon squash for the cost of one lemon squash is $63. What would be the cost? You 5 friends went to buy it. What would be the cost, total cost of it for 5 lemon squash? Is it clear? Are you understanding? Such questions.
No, ma'am, I'm not a little bit clear with this.
Who's that?
Ma'am, Miss Indra.
Okay, Bitta, it's very easy. I'll give you one example. Look, what is the cost of one orange juice? 10 people are buying it. What would be the cost for the total orange juice? What will be the cost for total orange juices? 10 people are buying it. And each cost 59. Yes, you will do what? 10 into what?
10 into
59. 59. What 50? 59. And what would be the answer? 590. Multiplication. Yes, Sidra?
Okay, ma'am.
In this way, you have to do it.
Like, ma'am, can I give you one example? Can I give one example?
What example you want me to give?
Like can of cola is $45, and
Yes.
I have to buy 2. So what
Yes.
is the correct answer? 90.
Yes. Okay. She's right. So the such word problems I can ask you. Then what is there?
Easy. This is easy, ma'am.
You have to simply multiply. That's it. You should know the multiplication.
Like 45. So example 45. So then we have to do like 45 twos.
Yeah, but
we want to find-
Umar, when you will do 45 twos, if cost of one thing is 45, and I've asked you what will be the cost of that 2 thing, then you will do 45 into 2. Okay.
Yes.
If I say you for 3 things, what will be the cost for 3 things? So you will multiply by 3, by 4. If I'm asking you for 4, is that clear? Read the question.
Yes.
The cost remain the same, but how many times we are buying that product? It depends on that, your final answer. Okay.
Yes.
Please do this part very clearly. I'll come to this part afterwards. First, I want to do doubling and halving. Word problems. This is very easy. Multiplication. Word problems. I need word problems. Please put the statements properly. Okay.
I love word problem.
Yeah. Word problems for multiplication I am going to ask you, and I have asked. Let me tell you, I have asked. Okay?
Here is doubling.
Yeah, doubling and halving. Now what you do here, tell me. How would you double a 43? Tell me.
86. 86.
It's very easy. Do the double of 4. What would be the double of 4? What would be the double of 4? Tell me.
8.
And what is the double of 3?
6.
6.
Done.
86.
There is one more
86.
method. There is one more method. Wait, just convert the number, expand the number in tens and ones.
83 twos. 83
Yeah.
twos.
No, wait. What would it be? 40. And
Ma'am,
what
I
this
know
would be?
that.
And what is this 3? Now tell me what is double of 40. I have expand the number in ones and tens form. Okay, tens and ones form. Sorry. Now what is double of 40? What is double of 40? 80. And what is double of 3? What is double of 3? 6. Add these two. Add these two.
86.
So easy.
86.
Let me take one more example. 69. How would you do this? 69.
We have to
138.
First split it. Look,
138.
splitting take times, but it would give you an appropriate answer. A correct answer at just once.
138.
Just
138.
first wait. Split the number into tens and 1. 69. What would be the place value of 6? 60. Because it is at tens place. 9. Umayma, tell me what is double of 60? Yeah, Umayma. Double it. How much you
Ma'am,
get?
the answer is
Ma'am,
138.
120.
The answer is
120.
138.
120. And what would be the double of 8? 9. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Double of 9? Double?
80.
Very good. Add these two.
138.
Add these two.
138.
So easy. But why are we doing all this thing? Why are we doing all this thing? Why don't we simply multiply it? But I have taught you this method also. Am I right? That is why I am explaining you. The simple method is what you can do? 43 multiply by 2 instead of doing all this thing. But you should know this method also by splitting the tens and ones. Please, you should know this. Okay. How would you do this? 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8.
Ma'am,
You got it, 86?
3 twos are 6 and 2 fours are.
Look, first you need to multiply these and this. Is that clear?
2
Hello?
and 4. Yes.
You
2 and
can
4.
do anything. 55.
Yes.
Let's take 55. Multiply by 2. What answer you'll get? What answer you'll get? Tell me.
110. 110.
How?
110.
How, Mema? How? First multiply this. 2 5s are? 2 5s is how much?
2 5s are 10.
Father,
Place,
10.
place 0 over
5s are
here. 0 over here. And make one carry forward. Okay, make it carry. 5 2s are again how much? 5 2s are? 5 2s are? 10 plus 1.
11.
11.
10 plus 1, 11.
So, Mema, are you understanding? I am simply multiplying. I am not doing anything else.
Yes.
You just have to multiply this number, all this number by 2. That's it for doubling. And what you'll do in halving? Tell me what you'll do in halving. Yeah, tell me.
Minus it.
You'll divide by 2. Simple.
Divide by 2. Divide.
Yeah, what you'll do? Tell me.
62.
62.
64. And if you don't know how to divide, you can go by my method. Split it. This is, if you don't know the division. 10 units. What is the place value for 6? 60 and 4. Is it clear? Now tell me, what is the half of 60? Tell me what is half of 60?
30.
And half of 4.
32. 32.
Half of 4 is 2.
And 32. 32.
Got it? 32.
32.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple. You can do any questions which you feel like. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions now you have? This is all about your word problems of multiplication, doubling, halving, and what divisibility rules, number line method, remainder theorem. That's it. And the tables you should know. Then only you can do the multiplication. That was all about your maths syllabus. Now tell me, do you have any question? Sure.
No.
Umayma, why do you look confused? Arey, Sidra, you wanted grid method, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, sorry, yeah, I just forgot. I'll explain you what is grid method.
It's okay,
Grid method.
Grid method is just like combining and recombining a little bit.
It's very easy.
20
Look,
and 4.
yes. What am I doing? Look, grid method. I made. Chalo, tell me.
Don't want this.
I'll put multiplication sign over here. Chalo, tell me. Sorry, not multiplication. It will come here. 24. Split into tens and ones. Sidra, 24.
You will put 20.
20 and
20
Second box and the add 4.
and what? 4.
And
4.
in the third box,
Put
you will
multiplication.
put
Multiplication won't come here. Just a second. Yeah. Now what you will do? Tell me.
Where is 3?
two, ma'am, like do 3 like
3 and 3. 20 into 3 is how much? Tell me 20 into 3. 60. And 4 3s is how much? 12. Add these two. Add these two.
72. 72.
Sidra, have you understood what I have done?
Yes, ma'am.
72.
Okay. This is the grid method. But partition, yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Like, if we will multiply any number by 0, then the answer will be 0 only.
With 0. With 0. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. Okay. And any
Okay,
number
ma'am.
multiplied with 1 is that number. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt you have? Anyone tell me?
No.
Understood.
Be prepared, be confident. I'm sure everyone will get good marks. Okay. And I will be there
Okay.
to help you out. So don't worry. Chalo, Friday, I will upload the paper 15 minutes before, but you cannot start the test. Only when you'll be in the class, you have to start the test. Okay. See you on Friday. Yeah,
Okay.
Mana, tell me. Yeah, best of luck.
Will not come. My marks will not come. 20 is that called?
What,
No.
beta? What happened? This question you telling?
No,
Then?
I understood it.
Okay, okay. Anything
Ma'am,
else you want to
My
ask?
marks will come 20 more.
25 marks, 25 marks. Again and again, I'm saying 25 marks.
Ma'am, send the worksheet on Google Classroom.
I have
To
already
do.
sent. I have already sent. Just see.
Ma'am,
That
more.
is more you want. Okay. Instead of that, look, Humaira, instead of that, revise all the questions in the given that is given in the textbook. Okay, Humaira?
Okay.
Don't focus.
Okay.
Yeah, questions from the textbook. Please do
Okay,
that
ma'am.
enclosure one, that zoo one, enclosure one, that glasses one, the cost for each. Okay. Do that word problems properly.
Okay.
Okay. Chalo. Bye-bye. Take care. Best of luck. Yeah.